welcome back to my channel today. So today I have with me my PLouise subscription box, and you guys, it is a pizza box. I mean, how cute is this? I can't wait to unbox this, so we're gonna go ahead and get started, you guys, because I love what I'm seeing already. If you've not heard of PLouise, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It is based in the UK and it was all created by an influencer and a makeup artist. She now has a massive brand and creates all different products, and then she will curate and put them into a monthly subscription box. Now these boxes do ship out a little bit later in the month. So this is the December 2023 box that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. I get charged for it in December. However, it does not ship to me until January. So if you guys purchase this subscription using my link down below, if you purchase in January, you will receive the January box, but it won't ship until February. Personally, I think it's worth the wait. The products are always fantastic. They're fun, they're creative, they work really well. So I highly recommend signing up and just waiting for it. I know it's going to take a while with shipping, but I've always had my boxes arrive. I've never not had them show up. So I do think it's worth the wait with this box. On the front, it says pizza is the only love triangle I want. That is so cute. Seriously, it's got pizza all over. We see the heart on here as well. I mean, it's so adorable. I love it. It says, babe, we're the best in town. It was love at first bite. You have a pizza heart. How clever. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this off here. And let's see inside. There's a pizza cutter. This is why I love this subscription. It is so much fun. I don't know that I will ever put out my own subscription box, but if I did, it would be very similar to this. It'd definitely be beauty, and it would be cute and over-the-top packaging. I just love fun things like this, and the curation, oh, I just appreciate it so much. So first item we're gonna look at is our pizza cutter. This says, babe, you're a cut above the rest, and it looks like we have some eyeshadow brushes inside of here, but this is our packaging. Is that not adorable? And then this front piece is magnetic, and you're gonna have 3 eyeshadow brushes in here. These are really perfect. So if you want to put down any like pressed glitter or anything, you can actually spritz these brushes with a setting mist or a spray. Dip it into like your glitters, your duochromes, and then tap them onto your eyelid. Because of it being such a flat brush, they're great for packing in pigment or like your glitter or something like that. The problem with glitter is if you brush it on your eyelids, you're gonna have fallout. So you really wanna have something that's flat like these that you can really pack it on and make it stick in place. So these are gonna be perfect, like I said, for applying any glitter, any duochromes, any shimmer, any sparkles, anything that you really want to really see that shine effect. These are the brushes you would wanna use. You don't need a lot of these brushes on hand, so I kind of get why she only put 3 in here, because most of the time you want blending brushes to really blend your shadows, and you're only gonna use like 1 to really pack on that glitter or shimmer. So I get why it's not like a full collection that she's done there, but I still think it's super cute that it's a pizza cutter. Next item that we have is called Sauce on the Side. This is her moisturizer. Okay, no, I've not tried this one. I have tried a lot of her different skincare products, but I've not had the moisturizer yet. So I'm actually really glad this is in there. So this is what it looks like here. It is a completely sealed bottle, and then it does have a pump up here at the top. So you can just pump your moisturizer directly out. And it states that this is 50 ml or 1.76 ounces. This moisturizer is going to have a lot of hydrating ingredients in here, but it does have glycerin in here, which is great for your skin as well. So that's a good one. There's witch hazel in here. There's water, of course. But then, let's see, we've got a little bit of perfume. So they did add some scent or fragrance to this. There's also niacinamide in here, which is great for your skin as well. Next item is called the Half and Half, and it's a set of 2 eyelashes. This one says top it off and add some spice, the perfect duo for those babes who want the best of both worlds. So we have 2 different eyelash looks here. and they're giving you a little bit of both. But again, you're getting this pizza vibe. The packaging is all on point. This is the first time that she has curated the subscription box to where everything is a matching collection. It usually is just like mixtured items from her website. So I love that this is the new thing that she's doing, is curating this whole box. It just feels way more special this way. Last item inside of the box today has to be a pizza slice. I mean, how can you have a pizza box without a pizza slice? Babe, you're a slice of perfection. This is an eyeshadow palette. I'm so excited. So here's what the palette will look like. It's such a funky shape too. And then when you open it up, you are going to have a mirror inside. And then down below, you're gonna have your little pepperonis. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at these. Now, these are not the shades I was expecting, but I do think they're gorgeous. So you've got some really pretty mattes in here. You've got some shimmers, the pressed glitter. These shadows are going to work perfectly with the brushes that they sent inside of this box. I think they did that on purpose. Because of it being a shimmer, like I said, spritz it with a setting spray, then put it on your eyelid, and you're going to get this really dewy shimmered look. But you could even mix and match these as highlighters if you wanted to. It's a very cute, well-designed palette. Even the mirror up top says, "Hey there, hottie." Talk about one of the most fun subscription boxes to open in beauty. This was definitely it. So that is everything inside of my PLouise subscription box for December. In total, we had 4 items in this box. With shipping and everything to receive this, it cost me about $51 a month. I think $51 for these 4 products is acceptable. I don't think we're getting an amazing value this month. I think I've seen better, but I also think it's a very cute collection. It's very fun, and I don't think I lost money on this one at all. But if you guys are interested in signing up for this subscription and receiving it every month, I will have that link listed down below for you guys. Sometimes it will be sold out, and that just tells you the demand for these sub boxes. She has so many people wanting the boxes that people don't cancel. They keep their subscription. They don't go off the list, because if you go off, it's very hard to get back on it. So if you see sold out, just keep trying. And I mean, honestly, just check every single day. Eventually a spot will open up. Right now, as I'm filming this video, it does show that they are available, but I'm just prefacing, because if it changes before I get this video posted, keep trying. They will have a spot open up eventually, I swear. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!